So we're spending the day at Splash Harbor, Indian Rocks Beach, Florida. A little family day. We're doing cannonballs. Hi. Logan's on the slide. One of those slides up there. They're pretty cool. Pretty cool place. Connected to the Holiday Inn Hotel. Perfect Monday. I don't know if your brother came down yet. You think so? We're going to check out the kids splash section right here. It's pretty cool. I'm right here, Bubba. It's a pretty cool place. Definitely good for Mondays. If you're from around here and you work in the hospitality field, Mondays are half off. No, $12. $12 per person. It's a pretty good deal. You should come check it out on Mondays. Splash Harbor. Here goes Mason! We're gonna do another big jump? Okay. We're gonna go into the waterfalls. We're gonna make this lady right here go into the waterfalls. Nope, Mason did it too. You gonna hold on to me? Okay. Hey, there is Logan. What'd you do? Which one? The white and blue one?
Yeah, it's like a speedboat in there.
Speed one? That's pretty cool, huh? Come on, let's go. We're gonna go do the pool. So they got like a beach style pool. Very relaxing. Oh, you pushing on me? Uh-oh, what's Logan going to do? Uh-oh, he's getting some speed. That's a pretty cool jump.
What's this?
Oh, here comes little Mason. Do it! Do it! Do it! Whoop! No, you can't go on the rocks up there, Bubba. They got it blocked off. I got you. I got you, Bubba. I got you. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Alright.
Look at this. This looks pretty cool to me. Alright, now. Where you can see both the outside of the water and then inside of the water. It's pretty cool. Let's see how long I can stay at the water for. About 15 seconds. Alright, bro, I'm gonna do back. Make sure you like, please do it. How about and subscribe?
There you go.
10,000 subs. I do a finger handstand underwater.
You do a finger handstand underwater
Yes.
if we get 10,000 subscribers.
I promise.
I don't think anybody really cares about that, but you know what? Okay. 10,000 subscribers, finger handstand. He said, nice. 10,000 subs.
Here you go, back.
Back.
Exactly, I told you I could do it. I'll do it again if we could do 10,000 subs.
Alright, what we're going to do, we're going to go down that slide down there.
Yeah,
Alright, so what are we doing?
going down the serious line.
We're going down the big green and yellow one here. It's a good long haul up here. We're going to do a double slide.
I got the burning.
I can't tell y'all what the name of this is because, well, frankly, I don't know. But it's pretty cool. It's going to be pretty cool. You want to go down backwards this time?
No.
No? Okay, come on. This is the worst part. The walk up. That's the hotel. Here's the park from the top view.
I like the dynamite.
This is it's a hotel and a restaurant. I can't think of what it's called though. We're almost there.
I know, right?
Oh, here we go. Here's a nice view from the top. See the beach. It's really nice up here. It's Indian Rocks Beach. What? Almost our turn, yep. And we're on a canal.
What are you waving at?
Mason and Lori. They're down there.
Where?
They're right there. Right there. It's almost our turn.
It basically is our turn.
Alright, Bubba, get up there. It's not to get into. Are you good? Get in there. Yeah, we've already did it a couple times.
Okay, you guys.
All right, here we go. Bye.
Bye.
Oh yeah! Woo! Watch slow! Here we go! I'm trying to go backwards. What are you doing? Don't turn around, you'll get in trouble. Put your feet up.
What am I doing?
Oh, we're going backwards! Ah! your pants down?
Yeah.
Was that fun? Let's do it again?
Yeah.
Alright, let's go over there and see what they're doing.
Let's try out the blue side.
Try out the blue side?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll try out the blue side. The blue side's dark. We gotta go this way. Woo. Come on, let's go. We'll just go around. Go around the river.
Alright boys, make sure you like and subscribe. Right here, right now. I'll give you $1 million.
We don't have $1 million, sorry. We gotta find a place to jump. Find a place to jump so no one can see him. Gotta hide. Gotta hide. Gotta be sneaky so we can do big jumps. Okay, when we get around the corner where they can't see us, nope, they can still see us. Come on, let's go.
Hola.
All right, here we go. Jump number 1. Here, come here. Ready? Go, go, go. Serious jump time. Hold on, wait till she goes by. Cannonball, go. Was that fun? Yeah? Yeah? Let's do it again. You want to do the big one? The big one right here.
Nathan. Hey Nathan.
Ready? Here. Go, 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 go.
Just make sure you jump out.
Go. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Hurry. Cannonball! I got you, buddy. I got you. That was a good cannonball. Cannonball! Hey, we're gonna get up on a pirate ship. We're gonna be sneaky. We're gonna try to get up on the pirate ship right here with this big old octopus. Right there.
Am I actually?
Not you. You're too big. You can get on here. Come here, Mason. We're gonna go up on the boat. Oh, hurry, 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 hurry. Cannonball, hurry. Run, jump, 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 jump. Mason, jump now. We almost got in trouble. Lifeguard caught us, saw us. Okay, we're gonna hang out right here. Hold on, we're gonna hang out right here. Hold on, we're gonna hang out right here. Wait for the lifeguard to come. There he goes. There he goes. Okay, hold on. Ready? Here we go. Hold on. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Get up there. Okay. Cannonball! Go, Logan, go. Hurry, hurry, Logan. Hurry. Hurry, hurry. Hurry. You gotta hurry before we float away. Come on. Go, 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 go. Go, Logan, go. Come on. Hurry, Logan. Cannonball. Yep. All right, we gotta sneak. One more. One more sneak. One more sneak. Under the waterfall. One more sneak. Here we go. Okay, one more sneak. We can't get caught. If we get caught, they're gonna kick us out. So here we go. Double cannonball. Double cannonball. Go. Go. Get up there. Won't go yet. Come here. Come here. Come here. Logan, don't do that. Right over there. One over there. Hurry. Double cannonball. Go. Go, go. I wanted you to go go together. Are you okay?
Can I get on that one?
Okay. I think we can get away with one more. Nope, there's the lifeguard right there. Yep. There's the lifeguard right there. We can't do any more. Alright, guys. So I think we're done. You guys want to say goodbye?
No.
Okay, say goodbye.
Bye, 10,000 subs. Remember that?
Peace out. Alright.
One hand hit the...